Plastic SCM is a version control specifically designed for teams using Unity. You'll be a version control superhero and won't feel the "I don't know how this works" syndrome anymore. Let me explain why going for Plastic will make you a better developer than if you go for Git. Plastic is not based on Git. It's a complete version control stack. But it speaks the Git protocol. With Plastic, you can handle super big projects and files. And if you're an artist, you can simply use Gluon and lock files, and only download the parts of the repo you need. Check in, and you're done. No need for the extra push. But if you are a developer, you'll master branching like never before. And you'll diff your C# code. And even track methods moved across files. And merge like a king. Work distributed with local repos and push-pull. You can host your repos in Plastic Cloud Edition without size limits. Or use Team Edition and install your own server. Or any combination in between. And we'll help you decide what repo structure is best for you and your team. So don't look any further. Plastic is what you need if you're using Unity.